Joel here from Details, and I don't know about you guys, but after I exfoliated a surface, it drives me nuts to see scuffs. When the sidekick doesn't work, go ahead and grab your PNS Express Interior Detailer and one of these guys, a magic eraser. Make sure you're using the OG magic eraser. You don't want these newer ones. Let me show you exactly how we do it. We're going to spray a little section where all the scuffs are, and we're only going to massage in lightly. We're not going to apply any pressure. Think of it as, you're just exfoliating the surface, lighter than a clay bar. You want to be extremely gentle. You don't want to pull off any protective coatings on any plastics or leather, and you don't want to discolor anything. So as you can see here, lightly scrubbing, then I'm just going to go mop up, and pretty much these things are gone. You can't really see it if it is there. Sometimes if they're deeper, it's harder to get because you do have to scrub a little harder. We don't really like to scrub hard. If we don't get it in the first round with the magic eraser, we're pretty much done. But make sure you're using the OG magic eraser, not these new ones that have cleaner already inside. And I'm just using the Express. Check out this area of this rubberized holder for the seatbelt fastener. These guys here get a lot of friction, and they're always marked up like crazy. A lot of these markings don't come off, but here you're going to see I'm going to work this small edge where it had a lot of friction, and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look perfect, but cleans it up quite a bit. This is second round cleanup, guys. This is not just the first round of detailing. We don't offer this for every vehicle, but for vehicles that are already in good condition, good to excellent condition actually, you got to make a difference. You want things to start standing out. So that's usually when we pull out this, or if they're paying for our premium services. Check it out as I just lightly, gently, evenly go across. I'm not hitting one area with too much friction at one time, because then you could leave spotting and discoloration, and you could even dull out the material. Here we go again on the doors, the corners of the doors on the bottom. Very, very frequently you find marks and scuffs here, but again, lightly going through, not applying any pressure, just very, very light friction, and then mopping up. There you go. And we always condition after using these areas because it does tend to dry it out a bit, the abrasive. So make sure that you're just conditioning it with your favorite dressing or, plastic conditioner. Here again, guys, you're going to see I'm scrubbing it down with the PNS Sidekick beforehand, and then I'm going to wipe it up, and majority of these are actually scuffs and stains. So I'm going to go in, spray it down, lightly hit it with the magic eraser, and you're going to see like within seconds it's gone. You can do this multiple rounds if you like, but just make sure that you're not really, you don't want to put too much abrasion on any given surface. You don't want to dry it out, you don't want to discolor it, and you don't want to damage it. So again, make sure that you're always putting some sort of conditioner on after. These ones we're going to go and hit afterwards, but for the most part, you can see it's a big, huge difference there. So if you guys are looking for PNS Express Interior Cleaner or the Magic Eraser, I'll link them both in the description below. Just make sure, guys, that when this guy doesn't work, the Sidekick or your Scrub Ninja, go over to the Magic Eraser. But go for the OG. I'll link everything in the description below, and subscribe for the best detailing tips.